Welcome to Mrs. Perna's class.
Hi everyone, we're starting a new craft today that's going to be a part of our jewelry. We're making paper beads. It's really easy. You're going to need all the things on this list. You're going to need one stick, 10 paper triangles, any color. It doesn't matter what's on them. They're going to end up being really cool. They could have words on them. They could have colors on them. It's going to be amazing. Wait till you see. Let's see what else we need. One glue stick. Okay. We're going to be sharing that with a friend. We're going to need a baggie. This is to hold our beads in. And we're going to need a manila paper. We're going to use that to glue on. So we're going to have to make 10 paper beads. You can make more if you want, but 10 is the required amount. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is move all of our bead papers off the gluing area. Fold your gluing paper in half. One side we're going to keep for glue, and we'll only glue on that side of the paper. The other side we will use to roll up our paper. That way we don't accidentally get glue where we don't want it. All right, so we're going to take our first paper. Whatever decoration is on the top, it's going to actually get hidden. So if you want the more colorful side rather than the other side, make sure you flip it upside down. All right, so this is going to be my glue side. Okay, next step, we're going to take our glue stick. We're going to put glue up to the top, just like that. Put our glue stick cap back on. We're going to take our stick and we're going to begin rolling the bead. Try to make sure that the end starts out pretty straight, and we're going to roll it up like this. See? Start rolling it up, and as you roll it, it will create a very beautiful bead. And depending on the color on the paper, you could get some really neat designs as well, all the way up. Now I find that if you stop about here, just give it a little bit of extra glue on the end of that triangle, that'll really help hold it. That'll really help hold it. And that is what the bead looks like. Now very carefully, you got to try and slide it off. There we go. Don't squish it too bad when you slide it off, or it will collapse inside. So there's my first bead. Here's a tip. Try not to put glue on the bottom of the triangle when you are going to be rolling it up. Otherwise, it will stick to the stick and it will be hard to take off. Yay! 10 beads done. Okay, so the last thing you need to do for cleanup, you're going to put your beads in your bag. You're going to take your glue paper, press on it so it's not gluey anymore, just like that. And what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to go up to the blue box. It has tile bases, and inside this I have all kinds of different countertop samples, and they make beautiful backgrounds for our jewelry. So what you do is you look through, you find the one you like. I'm going to use this one here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take a big pen and I'm going to write my name on it. And I'm going to put my room number. Yours will be different than mine. And this goes inside your bag for next week. Ta-da! Thanks for joining me. See you later. Bye-bye.